Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great day. Happy Sunday. So for today's video, I'll be sharing some design team projects that I created for Scrap Diva Designs as a guest designer. So here is her information. This is Erica's shop, and it is scrapdivadesigns.com, and there's her Instagram and YouTube information. So I did use several of the dies that she sent me to guest design, and I'll just go ahead and share those first. I did use this tag set here, and I think I used the second to the smallest scalloped stitched tag there. Really cute set. I used these here, which is the Rose Petals die set. And you can make some really cute layered flowers with this set, and I do have a tutorial on how I made the flowers that I'll be sharing, so I'll link that in the description box below in case you want to take a look at that. Really cute. And I used this water bottle shaker die set, and it comes with 2 different sizes on the water bottles, and it's just really cute, really fun for summer right now. And I used her double loop scallop bow set. I used the smaller bow on one of the projects, and here's the larger bow on that set. And then I also had so much fun using the butterfly mini album die set. So I have to redo the packaging to store these, but those are the dies that I used in my projects. And I'll go ahead and get started. So first off, I did make these cute little shaker embellishments using the water bottle shaker die set, and I had so much fun with these. I found a really cute like tropical theme paper in my stash. I think it's a hot buy from Michael's from a while ago, but it had all these little fruit images. And then I was watching Armin's video, and I remembered I had some little clay shaker bits that would go really well, so I picked out some of the limes and oranges to throw in there. I thought that was so cute. And I always forget to use that I even have the clay shaker bits in my stash. So then I added a couple little charms up here, little beads. So that's the smaller one, and then here's the larger one. Love this one, the way it turned out. So I went through my little bead stash, and I made a little charm that says fun, and a couple other little beads for the top there. And then I don't know if you can see that paper there, but it was so perfect. It's like a little blue water droplet, so I had to use that as the backing paper. And then I just made more of a regular sequin mix, just using blues and metallics and white. And I did some fussy cutting. Fussy cut out a little pineapple and a flower from the paper collection. And then I did forget to pull this die set out. It's the summer words, and I used that to cut out the word sun and put that there, and just layered a little bit of the splatter tool underneath that. So how cute are these? So cute. I do have a project in mind, but I haven't gotten around to using it. But these would also be just really cute for, like, if you do swaps or anything like that. Just a really cute, fun shaker. And then here's my butterfly mini album. How pretty is this? I had so much fun putting this together. So I just cut the base pieces with like a pink solid cardstock, and then I used Girls Getaway, and that's a hot buy from a while ago from Michael's for the paper collection. And then I just cut, you know, all of the matting pieces with that. And let me go ahead and share the cover first. So for the little body of the butterfly, I did cut out several layers to make it a little sturdier, and then I decided to make it into a shaker. So I just filled it with some sequins, and then just stitched around some acetate on the top there to make it into a little shaker, and added some bling to the little tips of the antenna here. And here's the mini the smaller of the double loop scallop bows right here. And then just a little tip, I did use single-sided paper for this bow, and then this the white was just kind of bugging me a little. So I added a couple of little diamond dots in the purple that I had in my stash, just to kind of look like polka dots in there. So I thought that looked better than just leaving it all white. In case you don't have, double-sided paper, you can always, it's not a whole lot that shows through, so another idea would be to use like a background stamp in this little area, or you can even take, and like for the polka dots, I was thinking, since I'd already assembled it, to use the end of like a skewer and just paint some little dots in there. But I love the way the little diamond dots look. And then I added this little heart to the center there that I had in my stash. I didn't decorate the back. And then here's the cover, and here's where I use the tag from the tag set, and then just did some layering. And I also fussy cut all of these from the paper collection because I didn't have it doesn't come with an ephemera pack. And then I layered some cheesecloth under that, and just some little different bling for my stash. And then for the inside, I haven't really done anything other than matte the pages, because I do want to add some photos and things like that. So how pretty is this paper collection? I love it. And this was the first time I cut into it, so I just think it's so pretty. Just a really pretty paper collection. So there's the butterfly mini album. And then this project, oh my gosh, I had so much fun with this. I finally cut into the strawberry milkshake paper. Sometimes it takes me a while. I know a lot of people just like go right for it and dig in and cut into it. But I wanted to make a few other little things to match, so I was happy that I made these layered flowers to match the paper collection, because I had those ready to go. And that's where I used those right there. So pretty. I love how those look. And then for the base, the shaker strawberry, I purchased a strawberry cut file from Cricut, from their design store. And then I just, did my own thing to make it into a memory deck with all the layers and into a shaker. So I will put the, I guess the item number of the strawberry cut that I used in case you are looking for that. I still don't quite know how to share cut files or create something, for you guys to download. I'm working on that, but I just love the way that this turned out. So it's got a big strawberry here, as you can see, shaker. I did a tulle layer, so that shakes around really nicely. And then, let me see, I did stitching with gold thread on all the layered pieces. And the top here, the little leaves, I used a different, this isn't from the paper pad, it's just one of the papers I pulled out to go with the paper collection from my stash, in like a light green. So I stitched all around that, and oh my gosh, that was just going very slow because it's such an odd little shape and kind of small. So, but yeah, I love the way that turned out. And then I popped that up on foam. Did my little flower cluster here using the flowers that I had pulled out to match the collection, and I even threw in a little button there, and some of the sequins in here, not all of them, but some of them, and the button are from Buttons Galore. And then here's my little layering. I did more cheesecloth and some of the ephemera back here. The little girl is from the chipboard, and then added some blue pearls there. And this sweet word die cut here is from Coca-Rosa, in case you're wondering. Coca-Rosa dies. So that's the first one, and I figured since I was doing it on my Cricut, I went ahead and I cut two while I was cutting them out. So here's the second one. I love this one too. And pretty much the same thing, same layering, some cheesecloth there, a blue flower here, again using Erica's die, the rose petal die set, and the little button, other little flowers. And the only thing that's different is the ephemera and the chipboard that I used. I did layer some more cheesecloth under this and just used a different floral ephemera and the typewriter chipboard, which I love. It's so, so pretty. And same thing with the sweet word die cut there. So how cute are these? I was really happy with the way they turned out, and I think I need to bust out my Cricut a little bit more because this was so fun to put together, and I just love it. I love how these turned out. So those are my projects. I hope you enjoyed taking a look, and I'll leave more information in the description box below if you're interested. I do not have a discount code for Erica's shop, but my friend Armene, Happymailqueen, does have a discount code. I will leave that in the description box below. And Anna, Serenity Creations, I believe also has a discount code, so you are more than welcome to use their codes if you decide you want to place an order. And that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.